everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to configure static routing using Cisco Packet Tracer. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So as you can see in the diagram, I have taken 3 routers. There are 3 networks, and in each network I do have a switch connected to a router, and with this switch are connected 2 PCs, and this is the case for every network. So now we will begin with the configuration. So first we will assign the IP addresses. So now I am going to click on router 0 and go to CLI. So first here it will be no, enter, enable configure terminal, int. So firstly I am going to configure or assign IP address to this interface FA0/0. So F0/0 IP address 192.168.1.1 followed by the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and enter. No shutdown and exit. Again, now I'll assign the IP address to this interface SE2/0. So my next commands will be interface S2/0 IP address 11.0.0.1 followed by the subnet mask 255.0.0.0 and enter. No shutdown and exit. Okay, so now next we are going to go to router 1 and click on the CLI. So firstly we have 3 interfaces to assign our IP addresses. Okay, so firstly we are going to use interface FA0/0. So similarly this is going to be no, enable configure terminal int F0/0 IP address 192.168.2.1 followed by the subnet mask, that is 255.255.255.0 and enter. No shutdown and exit. So next we are going to configure it on interface SE2/0. So int S2/0 enter. IP address, that is 11.0.0.2 and the subnet mask, enter. No shutdown, exit. Again interface, this time it is going to be SE3/0. Interface S3/0 IP address, this is going to be 12.0.0.1 followed by 255.0.0.0 and enter no shutdown and exit. So we are going to close this one, and now we are going to router 2. Clicking on the CLI, no, enable configure terminal interface. This time it is going to be interface SE3/0. So S3/3/0, enter IP address 12.0.0.2 255.0.0.0, enter no shutdown, exit. Again, one more is left, that is interface FA0/0. Okay. Interface F0/0, IP address, that is 192.168.3.1, followed by 255.255.255.0, enter no shutdown and exit. So we have assigned the respective IP addresses to the respective interfaces. So in the next step, I'm going to show you how to configure the static routing. So first, we are going to click on router 0. So this is going to be IP root 192.168.2.0 followed by 255.255.255.0 with interface S2/0. S2/0 and enter. And one more, IP root 192.168.3.0 followed by the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 with the interface S2/0. Enter and exit. Next we are going to router 1. Enter IP root 192.168.1.0 with this interface SE2/0. 255.255.255.0 with interface S2/0. And again IP root 192.168.3.0 followed by the subnet mask with the interface S3/0. and enter. Exit. So lastly, we are going to router 3 and type IP root 192.168.1.0 followed by the subnet mask 255.255.255.0 with the interface is 3/0. Enter. Again, IP root 192.168.2.0 followed by the subnet mask .0 and interfaces again 3/0 and exit.